How to make Indonesia in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make Indonesia in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to create Indonesia in Infinite Craft, we're going to combine, and first we are going to create Asia. Then we're going to create a country, then we're going to create Indonesia, and on the right hand side you can see the formula that I've written down. So what we're going to do first is combine water to water itself, which is going to form a lake. Then we're going to add water to the lake, which will form an ocean. Then from ocean we're going to add earth, which will form an island. From island again we will add earth to the island, which will create a continent. Then we're going to add earth and earth together, which is going to create a mountain. Then we will add mountain to continent, which will finally form Asia. The first step is done. Now let's go towards creating country. We're going to add water and fire, which is going to create a steam. Then we're going to add wind as well as earth together, which will form dust. Then once we've formed dust, we're going to add fire and wind, which is actually going to form smoke. Then we're going to add dust to earth. So we're going to add earth to this dust, which is going to form a planet. We will add water as well as smoke together. So the smoke earlier we created, right? We'll just add this to form a fog. Then we're going to combine this planet to fog, which will form a Venus. Then from there we're going to add steam to earth. So we created the earth earlier, just bring that on and create a steam, which will form a mud. Then from mud we're going to add Venus that we created earlier, which is going to form Adam. Now we're going to add Adam plus mud that we created, which will form a human. Then we're going to add human to human itself, which is going to form a family. From family to family itself, it will create a village. From village to village itself, it's going to create a town. Then from town to town itself, it's going to create a city. Then from city to continent that we created, so city plus continent, which will create a country. Now we have created a country also, but now finally we have to create Indonesia. So we're going to add earth plus water. So we're going to add water and earth here, which will give us plant. Then plant plus plant, which will form a tree. Then tree plus tree is going to form, as you can see, forest. Then forest plus tree itself is going to form wood. Then wood plus tree again, it's actually going to form paper. Then paper plus wind equals to kite. Then from kite, we're going to add steam to the kite. So we created steam earlier, so we just have to locate that steam again over here. So once you add kite and steam together, it's going to form an engine. And then from engine plus wind, it's going to form a windmill. Then you're going to add the country to the windmill, which will create Netherlands, and Asia plus Netherlands equals to Indonesia. And this way you can create Indonesia in Infinite Craft. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.